being an alcoholic for more than 30 plus years. I lived life in a fog. I needed to grasp something, and my culture is what I grasped onto, and that's what I think saved me through my recovery. And going through learning of who I was, my ancestors, and reclaiming my culture was very important to me, and I wanted to share that with other people. Ani Buju, Marc Forgette, Indigenous, Anishinaabe, Makwan Dodom, Wagashig My name is Marc Forgette. I am Algonquin in French. I am Bear Clan and a member of the Wagashig First Nation Band. And I am the proud owner of Makatew Workshops. Makatew Workshops is a company where we provide hands-on cultural awareness workshops in order to teach our culture in a safe manner. So about 35 minutes from downtown in the village of Carp, where you'll find cute little cafes and restaurants. It's an absolutely beautiful little town to visit. I share a lot about cultural appreciation because I want people to feel comfortable in embracing our beautiful culture without the fear of appropriating. You know, the impact I have on people is people feel like they have somewhere to turn to, somewhere safe. We have an inviting presence when you drive up to our space with the teepee outside. I've had residential school survivors walk through our doors and talk about their experience. I've had CEOs come in here because they want to make sure, they want to make change. Reconciliation is a big thing. We're sharing this country. We have to work together. The more we can share about our beautiful culture and make people feel safe that they can partake in it and cross that line, they can enjoy this beautiful journey with us.